what you're putting in. All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring? Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscience. Different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason. And a little bit of faith has got to come my way.
Test. 1, 2, 3.
Test.
Okay, the sound's working good, Marie.
My mama used to say,
That light on.
ooh, happiness requires
This light on.
work every day.
Okay.
Oh, and if that someone makes you smile,
This camera on. You look very nice.
Thank you.
Okay. Get a focus.
don't let them tell you what you feel.
Okay, we're recording. I'll let you go ahead and clap us in. Okay.
Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and I hope everyone is having a great day today. Here in Georgia, it's beautiful right now, but it's really chilly. It's just in the 40s. But today I'm going to be making an easy dessert. I've used these Sara Lee pound cakes before. You can also make your own pound cake and do this recipe too, which I also probably will do another pound cake recipe pretty soon, making my own pound cake. But anyway, you just use this sweet orange marmalade in it, and that goes in the layers, and then you just put this chocolate frosting on the outside of it. And like I said, I've made one before using just Cool Whip and cherry filling in between, and they make good little quick desserts that you can serve in a pinch when you're having company coming really quick and you have no time to prepare dessert. But it's nice to keep some of these in your freezer and then just put them out a couple of hours and then you're ready to go. So let me get started on this easy recipe. I'll take the top off. Whoops. And I literally took the top off. I'm going to use my cake thing that cuts cakes. I don't remember the name of it, but I've never used it before, so let's see how it goes. I know a lot of people that are experienced in baking use these. Seems to be going pretty good. Whoops. Okay, now then, let's take that and put it to the side. Okay, I'm going to adjust my cake cutter and then I'll be right back. I really like the way this does better than the serrated knife, so let's see how it goes again.
Okay. Would you like me to come hold it for you, Marie?
Yeah, please. Boy, that is really easy if you've got someone to hold it.
That helped?
Yeah, thank you, Calvin. So I think I'm just going to leave this one right here on that, and then I'm just going to move this to the side and put my marmalade on this one. I hope it spreads easy. Yeah, it looks like it will. That smells wonderful. This would even be good on toast. This dessert will go good with our meal tonight. And it's a fast and easy dessert, like I said. And you can come up with all different kinds of in between marmalades, pie filling, whatever you want on this cake. Blueberry pie filling, cherry. Okay. All right. Okay. Here goes the next layer. This would be a good little cake for your grandchildren or great-grandchildren to make. It would be real easy. It would give them some experience in the kitchen, frosting a cake. All my grandchildren are adults now. I've got one that's fixing to graduate. So she went to the prom this week, and boy, did she look like Cinderella. All dressed up for the ball. She was beautiful. Okay. Alright. Now the top layer. Let's see. I think I'll turn this like that. Let me wipe some of those crumbs off. I have a little brush, but this paper towel will work just good as the brush. Clean this up a little bit. I'll set this to the side. Cake in the middle a little bit. Alright, now then. Time to frost.
Now for the fun part, Marie.
Yeah, trying to get this frosting on here without having too much crumbs in it. That's going to be the fun part, since half of my cake come off. Usually my Sara Lee cakes, that top part don't come off like that.
It had probably been upside down in the freezer, made it stick.
Yeah. It was really quite crumbly. Usually, I never use these things. I always use this. So, professionals use this, but I'm not a professional. I'm just a home cook. Okay.
take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too.
Okay, y'all, I think I'm doing a pretty good job on decorating. I'm putting the icing on this cake, considering how crummy it is on the outside. I know that sounds kind of weird saying crummy, but
Later it comes later, dear. For many of us, I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes and know beauty.
okay, this dessert is for tonight, but me and Calvin is going to do the taste test today. We're going to go ahead. Okay. That marmalade in the layers looks really good. Okay. So, here you go, Calvin. You don't have to taste. You don't have to taste it on camera if you don't want to. Just taste it right off.
Well, I didn't know I was going to get to be the first taste tester. There goes my phone. It's a good combination. Let me get another bite. I like that orange and chocolate together.
Let me get some down here on this end. I don't need a whole piece right now.
That's good. I like it.
I do too.
I love that chocolate fudge icing that you put on there.
Mm-hmm.
And that combines with that orange real good.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
It's really good.
I'll let you finish the video. I got my piece of cake.
It's really a quick, excuse me. It's really a quick, easy little dessert. It was fast and easy. Tastes really good. And the only thing that was hard about this cake was the Sara Lee cake was a little crumbly. But I think I did a pretty good job on icing it up anyway. And it really tastes good, and it was well worth the effort. My voice is a little raspy today, considering I've been dealing with these allergies here in Georgia, this pollen. But anyway, this cake was really good, fast and easy. That's why I like to do my desserts. So y'all do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great day. Bye.
Lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say for the fight.